Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn the concept of moment of a force. What is moment of a force? It is turning moment of a force about a point. Then how to define moment of a force? It is the product of magnitude of force and the perpendicular distance between line of action of force and the given point. Suppose we have this force and given point is this O. The perpendicular distance between the line of action of force and the given point is say D. This is the shortest distance. Then moment of this force about this point O is MO is equal to magnitude of force into perpendicular distance between line of action of force and the given point. This is what moment of a force. Its unit is Newton meter. Unit of force is Newton, unit of distance is meter, Newton meter. Now, there are four possible cases. One is force acting to the right of given point and it is acting in upward direction. Now, let us see whether this force will produce clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement. For that, what we need to do, just we have to imagine keeping this point fixed, apply force at other end. This will try to rotate this thing in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, this is producing anti-clockwise movement. Anti-clockwise movement. Now, force is again to the right of given point, but it is acting in downward direction. This is perpendicular distance. Now, let us see what will happen. Keeping this point fixed, apply downward force to this end. This will try to rotate this arm in clockwise direction. Therefore, this type of force will produce clockwise movement. Now, third case is point is here and force is acting upward, that is towards left of this given point. This is perpendicular distance. Force distance is this. Okay. Now, keeping this point fixed, apply upward force at other end. Now, this is trying to rotate this arm in clockwise direction. Therefore, this type of force will produce clockwise movement. Fourth case, say this is a given point O, fixed point, then force is to the left of this given point. This is perpendicular distance. Now, here force is acting downwards. Now, keeping this point fixed and applying force at other end in the downward direction, what is happening? This is trying to rotate this arm in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, this type of force will produce anti-clockwise movement. This is the nature of clockwise and anti-clockwise movements are the nature of movements. After this, let us discuss two more things. One is law of movements and other is Varignon's theorem of movements. What is law of movements? For the system in equilibrium, the algebraic sum of clockwise movements is equal to algebraic sum of anti-clockwise movements. That is what? Law of movements. Then what is Varignon's theorem of movements? It states that the algebraic sum of moments of all the forces about any given point is equal to moment of their resultant about the same point. The algebraic sum of moments of all the forces about any given point is equal to moment of their resultant about same point. This is what Varignon's theorem of moments. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.